XUZHOU ROC International Trading Company is subsidiary company of Home World Group, mainly responsible for the product import and export business of family businesses. Home World Group is the largest private manufacturer and exporter of plywood and related products in China, which was founded in 1993 with 6 family factory and 1 trading company as subsidiaries. We are now enjoying 73 production lines of plywood and LVL. Our productivity of all kinds of plywood is 320,000 cubic meter and 110,000 cubic meter for LVL products each year. Equipped with advanced timber manufacturing equipments, Italian IMEAS sanders, Japanese Iroko peeling machines, veneer joint tenderizers and big dry machines, the company is committed to producing and exporting the highest quality products in the plywood and laminated veneer lumber. And since 2019 we equipped with UV, painting, slotting, punching, carving, chamfering and other series of deep processing equipment to meet the needs of customers for deep processing. Our mainly produces plywood and LVL, and operates OSB, MDF and other related wood products with good industrial resource advantages. We have won the honor of Chinese famous Trademark, Jiangsu quality trusted products and 3A corporate credit. We insists on the principle of good quality control and honesty all the time. And adhere to the company business belief, customer needs is our future, clients' feedback help us grow up. After nearly 30 years of development, ROC has accumulated rich manufacturing experience and export experience in the wood industry to serve domestic and foreign trade wholesalers and construction sites. We have professional timber quality inspection teams. Most of them are selected from the production line, familiar and professional in plywood, MDF, OSB, LVL products production and inspect. The rich quality inspection experience enables customers to sell and use every piece of ROC panels with confidence. ROC International has 6 most advanced laboratory mechanical property testing laboratories named as XUZHOU and XUZHOU. These include the top professional Australian standard LVL laboratory, XUZHOU No. 1 Mechanics Laboratory, and Formplys XUZHOU No. 6 Laboratory. We start from product development and testing to provide customers with the most stable and reliable wood timber products. Choosing ROC means choosing stable quality assurance and lower comprehensive cost. Up to now, ROC International has a series of famous brands in the wood industry, such as the main brands ROCplex, ROCply, XUZHOU, XUZHOU, Home World, etc. ROCplex Formwork Plywood Series products. ROCplex Formwork Plywood mainly includes film-faced plywood and Zlife plastic plywood, and the derived anti-slip plywood. ROCplex film-faced plywood is a high-quality hardwood plywood covered with phenolic resin-treated film that turns into a protective film during production. ROCplex film-faced plywood is strong and stable concrete formwork plywood. ROCplex Zlife formwork plywood sheet is high-grade plastic and wood composite sheet, with hard-wearing plastic coating for a significantly longer lifespan and uniform concrete faces over a long time of service. If used abide by the illustrations strictly, ROCplex Zlife can be reused more than 350 times. ROCplex brand mainly involves conventional plywood, OSB, MDF and other products. ROCplex Commercial Plywood. ROCplex commercial plywood is a sheet material manufactured from thin layers or plies of wood veneer that are glued together, with adjacent layers having their wood grain rotated up to 90 degrees to one another. Can produce A to F grades, good at AA, BBCC, CD grade. ROCplex commercial plywood with 1.5 mm to 28 mm thickness for choose. The main materials are birch, poplar, pine, okame, bintong, red cedar, sawbury and other commonly used plywood. The surface of ROCplex commercial plywood is smooth and flat, with excellent bonding strength, which can be applied to furniture, decoration, packaging, and other fields. Provide UV, coating, grooving, and other deep processing. All veneer in the manufacture can provide Forest Stewardship Council certificate from Sustainable Forests. Rockply brand is a plywood series product brand developed for the Australian market that conforms to JASANZ standards. Rockply brand include Formply and structural plywood. Rockply with Benchmark and Trademark double certification. It is the only dual certification brand in the industry. Rockply F14, F17, F22 Formply manufactured from high-grade full hardwood veneers bonded together with Super E0 waterproof adhesive, which has superior bond strength. The oblique giant and hot melt splicing technology are used to avoid every possible gap, to ensure excellent hardness and stability. Rockply certified structural plywood can do F8 to F22 grade, big size applicable to production. XUZHOU brand is a LVL series product brand developed for the Australian market, which conforms to JASANZ standards. XUZHOU LVL is the top structural LVL brand in China. It is first structural LVL to obtain Australian quality approval in China. It is also the most complete structural LVL brand in the market. XUZHOU continues to research and develop, which is according to the actual building needs of customers. Its main products are structural LVL, formwork LVL, edge and scaffolding plank. XUZHOU structural LVL is high-performance, more sustainable alternative to lumber. XUZHOU's LVL beams, headers and columns are used in structural applications to carry heavy loads with minimum weight. XUZHOU structural LVL products are manufactured in a controlled environment, resulting in straighter, stronger and more uniform product compared to milled lumber, creating a more stable and reliable product than dimensional lumber because it doesn't twist and warp or shrink over time. The product certification level is from E8 to E15. Rock timber products have been certified by IS 09001-14001 CE, FSC, PEFC, CARB and been well sold to more than 30 countries all over the world, such as Germany, Australia, USA, Chile, New Zealand, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Korea, Japan, and so on. With the aim of catering to the requirements of global market, we have cooperated with many famous building material wholesalers. We are responsible to design and OEM for their brand plywood and wood products. Based on our superior quality management, service and leading technology, ROC International actively leads the market and takes pride in offering these products and services to our customers.